My name is Bob Brown. I'm the Midwest Regional Manager for Bruske Products, and today we're going to do an actual live demonstration of our product Blot-It on an oil spill in our facility. So I always put a little bit more Blot-It down than I think I'm going to need, and I'm going to place the Blot-It around the oil spill itself, and then we're just going to simply take a broom, brush it into the spill, and you'll notice how quickly, with capillary action, that the Blot-It absorbs the oil spill. What customers like about the product is that they're able to completely arrest the spill. They can brush the used Blot-It off to the side and then reuse the Blot-It that hasn't absorbed any liquid at that point. As you can see, Blot-It arrests the entire spill. The oil is now trapped inside the product itself. What is convenient and our customers like about it is you can dispose of this right in a landfill. The product over here that hasn't absorbed any oil yet can be reused at your own discretion.